But when you look at John 14, verse 15 is always the one that we kind of scheme through because we want to land on the fact that we will do greater works. But Jesus says this: if you love me, keep my commandments. I came here this morning to tell you that whether you're single or you're not, are you keeping his commandments? A lot of the times we choose one area of our lives and magnify it and make it the big hurdle, when in actual fact we've got no time or place for God. In fact, our relationship with God then becomes transactional. You are fasting because you're looking for a husband. You are trusting God for a family. The things you're doing are with the hope that God would give you what you want. Have you asked yourself what God's love language is? I know you know your love language. I love quality time, acts of service, physical touch. I don't know why you would put that there, but anyway. No, I'm saying for singles. Now we don't. I know there's 5. The one, not quite ours yet. Yes. But you know what are the things that make you feel loved, feel seen. That even if the person didn't say, I love you today, you know for a fact that that person loves you. You look at our parents. Half the time they come in guns blazing. But you know that at a beat of a heart that those are the people who love you unconditionally. How do you know that? By the things that you guys have lived through together. And the way that they've shown you love. They don't have to say it every day for you to know that they love you. I ask again, what is God's love language? A lot of us are rushing to be in relationships, but the main and most important relationship we have not yet prioritized. Remember those 2 exes I was asking you to remember? Some of you have written to them love letters and SMSs that are paragraphs split in 4, expressing your love for them. I know those text messages, especially WhatsApp gang. Long, read more. Some of you have said things to other human beings that you've never opened up your mouth to say to God. You've told somebody that you're the face I want to see when I wake up. You're the voice I want to hear before I sleep. God doesn't even know you have a desire for a voice. He's never heard you love and show affection in that way. Oh my gosh, I'm rushing off to work so I can spend some quality time with you. God is going, you have the concept of quality time? I get 15 minutes in the morning while you brush your teeth and play a song in the background and call it worship. God is going, I didn't know you've got this capacity in you. Some of us have sacrificed time and money. That's why when you close your eyes, you see that X, there's a bit of irritation because you remember how much money you gave in that direction. If you were asked to put it at the altar, all of a sudden pastors are running after your money. God is shocked that you are able to sacrificially give. He says, if you love me, then keep my commandments. He's telling you that this is how you love on me. Most of us have no interest on loving on Jesus and seeking him, spending time with him. Your issue is that you are single. Your issue is that you must be seen in society. You must be felt in society. You must be successful. You want to do the great exploits without the one who gives you the ability. You want him to love on you and bless you, yet you have no regard for him to let alone keep his commandments. Ask average Christians, what are his commandments? Most of them will read you the 10 commandments and would stop there because they have no eagerness to learn. The Bible says, study the word to show yourself approved. You don't have time to study the word to show yourself approved, but you're busy with an MBA because you've got to prove to your family that even though you're single, you are smart. Some of the things we've done for mere humans, we would never do for God. You've begged a girl to stay with you. You've begged a young man to see you. You've never begged God for anything. In fact, most times we go to him and demand as though he works for us. If you love me, keep my commandments. I know this is a single summit, so we're trying to find ways to find the man or the woman next year. This year, what's more at risk than you being single and dying alone is you dying alone without Christ. And somehow in society, we've made dying alone far worse than not knowing and being guaranteed of eternity. So majority of us have held heart closed to God because He has not given us the man or the woman. Yet we've never given our hearts over to Him. So you're single. So what? You're not married yet. It's not the end of the world. Do you desire it? Great. I hope that we desire Him more than we desire for someone to stand next to us. Is it okay for us to feel lonely? It's natural. Is it sometimes frustrating, wanting to be in a space with someone who will love and see you, and that's not your reality? Absolutely. Is it difficult to keep yourself holy and pure? It's an uphill battle daily. But I promise you, nothing compares. Nothing compares to knowing that your first true love is loving you back always. Most singles, what we've done is put things in front of God. And when He does not fulfill them the way that we want, that's why we even know how to say, in 2025, I'll be married. I'm not saying don't prophetically speak over your life or desire things. Go ahead, flourish. Just make sure that that's what God's saying. And the same way you hunger after a relationship, I really pray that we hunger after Him